We have a Haas Super Mini Mill, serial number 40481. This machine is new in 2005 and we're gonna run it for you. Machine has a 15,000 RPM spindle, 15 horsepower Cat 40, 10 ATC automatic tool changer. You have programmable coolant nozzle. Right now we're running up at 3,000 RPM. Going up. 6,000 RPM. 9,000. 11,000 RPM. That's fast enough. Okay, machine has a 36 by 12 inch T-slotted table. Right now we're simulating a tool change. You have 16 inches of X travel, 12 inches of Y, 10 inches of Z. This machine is equipped with fourth axis option, and you have a Haas fourth axis 5C. Machine also has the WIPS, wireless intuitive probe system, software and eye and touch off. You're hearing all the axes run, and we're going to do the B axis too. You see the B turning. Okay, let's do it again because she's getting a little closer. Nice. All right, so you've seen the 3 axes go and the fourth. You saw the spindle go up to 11,000 RPM. You've seen it simulate a tool change. Hey, thank you for watching our video.